Hi guys, today we are going to continue with our Python course. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and also have clicked the bell icon to get a notification whenever I post a video. So let's get started with the video. This is our second part of Python course. So then today's topic is about variables and data types. So what is a variable? A variable is a name given to a memory location in program. So in other words, variable is more like a container which can store a value. So if I say a is equal to 56, so 56, so this a is now a container which is holding a value 56. So a is called a variable now. If I say b is equal to 32.34, so this b is now a variable which have a value of 32.34. so variables are more like a container which store value. So moving towards data type, so primarily there are 5 types of data type in Python. The first one is integers. So what is an integer? If I say a 57, so this 57, a number is called integer. If I give a value of if a value is a number, then it is called integer. The second data type is floating point number. So the floating point number is a number which have a point like 27.78. so this value is called a floating point number. So this is called a floating point number. A number having a point is called floating point number. The third data type is strings. So strings are, if I say C is equal to Amir Hassan, so this value is called string. Anything which is written between a single quote or double quote is called a string. Here between this we can write anything, but it should be within single quote or double quote, then only it will be known as a string. So the fourth data type is Boolean. So what is Boolean? Boolean is true or false. There are in Boolean there are only two words called true and false. If I say sun rises from east, then it is true. If I say sun rises from west, then it is false. You will learn about Boolean in the following videos, so stay tuned. The fifth data type is none. So none generally means nothing. So this data type means nothing. The none means if I say D is equal to none, then then it means is generally means then that D is nothing. You have learned about a variable. You have also learned about data types. So there are some rules. Actually, there are some rules for defining a variable name. The first rule is a variable name can contain alphabet, digit and underscore only. The second rule is a variable name can only start with an alphabet and underscore. For example, if I say _7, then you can see it shows no error. This variable name is allowed. The third variable rule is a variable name can't start with a digit. You cannot start a variable name using number 117. Then this variable name would be wrong. This variable name, you can see it gives an error message that you cannot use this as a variable name. So the fourth rule is no spaces is allowed inside a variable name. You cannot use space. You cannot use a space. You cannot use like underscore space anything. So you cannot do like this. You cannot have a space in between the name of a variable. So these were some rules which are applied for naming a variable. So next thing we are going to study is operators in Python. So currently there are four basic operators in Python. So they are arithmetic operators. Like if they are arithmetic, let me just arithmetic. They are arithmetic operator. One of arithmetic operator. The examples of arithmetic operator is plus, minus, multiply, divide, etc. Second operator is called assignment operator. So the second it is called assignment operators, such as equal to, is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, etc. So you are going to learn about each of them in detail in later videos. So the third operator is called comparison operator. The third operator is comparison operator. Example is double equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, exclamation equal to, etc. And the fourth data type is called the fourth data type is called logical operator. So what the logical operator example is and, or, not equal, and, or, not, etc. So there is a function in Python called input. This function allows the user to take input from the keyboard as a string. This input function is only used to take input as a string. So that is it for today, guys. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in part 3.
I'll get the future.